Looking for the perfect timepiece to elevate your style? In this video, we're diving into the best watches for men, from sleek everyday designs to bold statement pieces. Our channel brings you quality reviews daily, helping you find the right products faster. Let's find your next favorite watch. And if you love honest, helpful recommendations, stick around for more. Number 1. Timex Expedition Scout. It didn't take much time in the field to see why this is currently the best-selling men's watch on Amazon. Collectively, we've owned and tested countless Timex watches, and the Expedition Scout sums up everything we love about the brand. For starters, the field watch design will complement everything in your closet. The case is sturdy, and the NATO strap is comfortable. What stands out the most is the clutch Indiglo feature that lights up the watch face when you press down on the crown. Whether we were standing in direct sunlight or hiking in a shady spot, the face was clear and legible. In addition to the big, bold numbers, the luminous hands makes it way easier to use than fumbling around for your phone in the dark. And when our testers got caught in some drizzle, it didn't impact the watch at all, which speaks to its level of water resistance. Number 2. Casio Vintage A168WA, 1 electroluminescence watch. Somewhat of a cult following has developed around this old-school Casio in recent years, based on retro vibes and accessibility. The design has remained pretty much unchanged since the 1980s, and remarkably, so has the price. Our biggest takeaway was that the small size and weight, coming in at 32 millimeters and 58 grams total, provides lightweight but still stylish jewelry for your wrist. On top of that, this watch comes with a battery that lasts up to 7 years before it needs a replacement. With a stainless steel band and a stainless steel watch face that is aglow with individuality and looks great on the street fashion scene. So add this silver-toned watch to your G-Shock collection, or simply make it your next everyday watch. After all, this Casio digital watch is made to be both highly durable and functional. This classic Casio watch design never times out of fashion. Made with plastic case with stainless steel caseback, bezel and matching link bracelet, the electroluminescence features a digital display with EL backlight and a convenient day and date calendar. Number 3. Apple Watch Series 10. Believe it or not, Amazon often has discounts that you won't find in stores on Apple products, including over-ear headphones and watches, along with fast shipping options. Take the Apple Watch Series 10, a thinner, lighter model compared to its predecessor. This latest version has the biggest display, yet with a brighter display, enhanced fitness and outdoor tracking, noise reduction for clearer convos, and even sleep apnea detection. We found the apps run a lot faster, the battery doesn't die quickly, and everything is so much easier to use with improved Siri responsiveness. Our testers have taken it on a spin during rowing and kayaking adventures where the watch delivers more accurate calorie burn estimates and stroke counts. It also tracks distance, pace, and heart rate in real time, so you can really optimize performance. Number 4. Citizen EcoDrive Weekender Garrison Field Watch. Powered by natural or artificial light, Citizen's Field Watch is incredibly low maintenance, thanks to its eco-friendly technology. In other words, you save the hassle of having to switch out batteries every once in a blue moon. We also love the military-inspired design, which features a strong stainless steel case and a durable leather strap that feels light as a feather and rests comfortably on the wrist. We have to acknowledge this watch's style versatility, too. Our fashion editors have gone the whole week with being able to pair it with various fits. They've opted for the casual route, wearing a crewneck long-sleeve t-shirt and a pair of black jeans for drinks at the beer hall. But when they want to step it up a notch for date night, they'll throw on an Oxford button-down with tailored chinos. Number 5. Bulova Oceanographer Stainless Steel 3-Hand Automatic Watch. Dive enthusiasts and water sports aficionados will especially find this watch practical given its high-performance functionality. That's because the ticker has 200-meter water resistance and a rotating bezel that tracks elapsed time. Plus, the screw-down crown ensures the watch stays secure and watertight. Performance aside, it's a thing of beauty, donning a sleek 3-hand green dial and silver-toned stainless steel bracelet. After all, this version pulls inspiration from the 1970s Devil Diver, which is also known for its unique styling and colorful accents. Yes, It's a great fit for anyone who enjoys scuba diving, snorkeling, or swimming. However, we also found its durability and readability makes it a great option for hikers and campers. Also, since it's an automatic watch, it powers itself through your movement, so you no need to worry about a dead battery while you're off the grid.